So what if you want to use an acapella? There are some things to consider. That A, it's a recording that somebody else will own, so there are master rights involved on the recording. A performer will have performed the actual song or rap, whatever it is, onto that recording. So there's a performer, and there's also the rights holder of the master. So that's on one side. Equally on the other side, you've got the publishing rights. So we're talking about the lyrics, the actual lyrics and the compositional aspect. So if there's a song, it's the lyrics and the melody. So let's split these into two separate parts, publishing and master recording rights. So if you are going to use an acapella, just consider that there are separate areas of interest for the people who own the rights. And of course, the best way is to obtain permission and to do the deal. And then you know that everybody's happy. Ultimately, just consider for yourself, if you were a performer, if you created something and recorded it, so you created the lyrics, you also got it recorded and you own the recording. What if someone else went off and did whatever they wanted to do? How would you feel about it? So that's the best thing to do, just to consider it. Think about the right way to do this. If you're going to be doing something for yourself as a DJ, just some kind of bootleg remix, you're probably absolutely fine. There's no harm in doing that. Play it in your own sets. I've done this sort of thing. Technically, it's not right, but if you just keep it for yourselves and it's something unique for your performances, then great. That's a great way to do it. But really, if you're going to put out a released acapella, just really have a think about it. Consider the rights that are involved.